I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML using W3Schools. First, navigate to the W3Schools website and find the HTML tutorial section. This platform provides a structured learning path, starting with fundamental concepts and gradually moving to more complex topics. You'll find clear explanations and practical examples to help you grasp each lesson effectively. It's a fantastic resource for beginners. Once you're on the HTML tutorial page, you'll see a comprehensive menu on the left side. This menu organizes all the lessons, from basic elements like headings and paragraphs to more advanced topics such as forms and media. Click on any topic to dive into its details. Each section provides clear, concise explanations and code snippets that illustrate the concepts perfectly. The most powerful feature of W3Schools is the Try It Yourself editor. After reading a lesson, you can click this button to open an interactive code editor. Here, you can modify the example code, add your own HTML, and see the output instantly. This hands-on practice is crucial for solidifying your understanding and building confidence. Don't hesitate to experiment with various elements. After mastering the basics, W3Schools offers quizzes to test your knowledge and reinforce learning. You can also explore related tutorials like CSS for styling and JavaScript for interactivity, which are essential for modern web development. Remember, consistent practice and building small projects are key to becoming proficient. Keep learning and creating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.